Hi, my name is Irish Beckles, and I am a patient of Dr. Gulani. About 8 years ago, he agreed to do a surgery for me. It was a toric lens kind of replacement, I can't remember. But I was really pretty much at my wit's end because I had a deficit. My lenses were, I was like a 2600 or 2450, I can't remember, but it was pretty bad. And I was pretty young, and I definitely did not want to always have to wear contacts or just be that far sighted, and was getting worse because I was like up at like a +10, very far sighted. And he let me see for the first time, and I was very impressed with him from beginning to end. He knew who you are. He loves his patients. He's kind. He's generous, and he's so caring. And I recommend him to anybody who's looking for to recover some of their vision or all of their vision. For me, it was life-changing, and I'm truly forever grateful. I have a huge medical background in mental health and in nuclear medicine technology, so I'm very familiar with technology, and I can assure you this technology is way ahead of its time. And Dr. Gulani is so sweet, so kind, generous to a fault. He's so pleasant. If you don't love him, you'll love him by the time you leave. And you know, I recommend him to anybody anywhere in this world. He will change your life. He helped me to see the clouds for the first time, really see the clouds. And I can't even imagine my life ever going back to what it was. So I highly recommend Dr. Gulani.